What is the fundamental building block of the human body? Are you fascinated by the incredible machines around you? On a typical day, you might ride in a car, talk on a smartphone, access the internet on your lappy, and watch a movie on a high-definition television. While all of these machines are awesome examples of today's technology, but they're not impressive as other complex machines. What are we talking about? Your human body, of course. When you look closer at human body, you realize it's made up of a wide variety of tiny cells. So let's study more about cell structure and cell theory. Cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Anton von Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a living cell, whereas Robert Brown later discovered the nucleus. Cells differ greatly in size, shape, and activities. For example, mycoplasma is the smallest cell, are only 0.3 micrometer in length, while bacteria could be 3 to 5 micrometer in length. The largest isolated single cell is the egg of an ostrich. Among multicellular organisms, human red blood cells are about 7.0 micron in diameter. Nerve cells are some of the longest cells. Cells also vary greatly in their shape. They may be disc-like, polygonal, columnar, cuboid, thread-like, or even irregular. On the basis of structure, cell is basically of two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Eukaryotic cells possess an organized nucleus with a nuclear envelope. Their genetic material is organized into chromosomes. Besides the nucleus, the eukaryotic cells have other membrane-bound distinct structures called organelles, like the endoplasmic reticulum, ER. The Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria. The prokaryotic cells lack such membrane-bound organelles. Ribosomes are non-membrane-bound organelles found in all cells, both eukaryotic as well as prokaryotic. All eukaryotic cells are not identical. Plant and animal cells are different, as the former possess cell walls, plastids, and a large central vacuole which are absent in animal cells. On the other hand, animal cells have centrioles which are absent in almost all plant cells. Cell theory was first given by Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann in 1838. But later, in 1855, Rudolf Virchow first explained that cells divide and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Omnis cellula acellula. He modified the hypothesis of Schleiden and Schwann and gave final shape to cell theory. Cell theory as understood today is: number 1, all living organisms are composed of cells and its products. Number 2, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Let's solve some important questions from the medical exam. Question 1. Who proposed cell theory? Number 1, Schleiden and Schwann. Number 2, Watson and Crick. Number 3, Mendel and Morgan. Number 4, Robert Hooke. This question was asked in BHU 2002. Solution. Cell theory was first given by Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann in 1838 to 1839. Hence, option 1 is correct. Question 2. Difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells in having: number 1, cell wall. Number 2, nuclear membrane. Number 3, ribosome. Number 4, none of these. This question was asked in AFMC 2002. Solution. Eukaryotic cells have double membranous nucleus and cell organelles, but in prokaryotes, membranous organelles are absent. Hence, option 2 is correct. Question 3. Who proposed the theory that cells arise from the pre-existing cells? Number 1, Moll. Number 2, Virchow. Number 3, Haeckel. Or number 4, Brown. This question was asked in MP PMT 2008. Solution. In 1855, Rudolf Virchow first explained that cells divide and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Omnis cellulae cellula. Hence, option 2 is correct. This video concludes about different cells. To know more about cell structure and functions, please visit our next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on it.